What the heck is a revocable trust? Hi, I'm Neil Tyra, and I'm an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me. Now, if you've watched any of my videos in the past, you know that I don't always advocate the use of a trust in your estate plan. I think a will is perfectly fine for the vast majority of regular folks like you and us. But there are times and there are situations in which a trust is the more appropriate choice of an estate planning document. So, what is a trust? So, a trust is a legal entity or a relationship that's created wherein you give property or assets to somebody else to hold for somebody's benefit, usually your own to start with, but then it could be a different beneficiary afterwards. And it got its start in the Crusade era when the knights would go off to the Crusades and they would give their land and their holdings to somebody to hold and to manage on behalf of their family. And if they didn't come back, there was instructions of what to do with that property. And so that's the genesis of what a trust became. And now we use it, as I said, as a substitute at times for a will in an estate plan. Now, when you create a trust, a revocable trust, and revocable means you can change it at any time. When you create that trust, you essentially wear three hats. The first hat you wear is that of the grantor or the creator. You created the trust. You are the grantor. The second hat that you wear is the trustee. You control it. You get to say what it does and who it's and how it's going to be managed. And the third hat you wear is that of the beneficiary. The trust is used for your benefit. So you created it, you control it, and it's for your benefit. Now, there are plenty of scenarios by which a trust is the more appropriate vehicle. Some of those that we're going to talk about in future videos have to do with mixed families, having to do with young children, having to do with people with special needs. And so we're going to dive into those subjects in subsequent videos. If you want to know more about estate planning, our contact information is at the end of this video. We'd love to have the chance to talk to you. Again, I'm Neil Tyra. I'm an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland. And despite that subject of trust, I do primarily estate plans for regular folks like you and me. Thanks so much.